Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here, we will present chapter 2 about the production of speech sounds. Be member name Ananda, Reka, Putri, and Nihaya Nur Fadila. The articulation above the larynx. Name Nihaya Nur Fadila. Name 204200039. Articulation above the larynx. All the sounds we make when we speak are the result of muscles contracting. Air from lungs passes through larynx, goes through vocal tract, and ends at mountain nostrils. These different parts are called articulation, and the study of them is called articulatory phonetic. Articulators. Fact 1. The articulators. Pharynx. The pharynx is top which begins just above the larynx. Female long 7 cm and male long 8 cm. Top end is divided into two, to the mouth and nasal cavity. Soft palate or frown is seen in the diagram in a position that allows air to pass through the nose and through the mouth. Velar consonants G. Hard palate is often called the roof of the mouth. Alveolar rate is between the top front teeth and the hard palate. Produce alveolar sound t. Tongue is a very important articulator and it can be moved into many different places and different shapes. Two sounds of tongue on a large scale with dash, part sound, tip, flat, front, back, root. Fact 2. Subdivision of the tongue. Teeth. Upper and lower are usually sound in diagram like fig. Sounds made with the touching the front teeth, such as English, are called dental. Lips are important in speech, can be moved to make different shapes. Produce bilabial sounds and labiodental sounds. That's all of your presentation. I'm sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ananda, Reka, Putri, NIM 204200057. In this part is still same as before about the production of speech sound. In this presentation, I will discuss part 2.2 about vowel and consonant. The word vowel and consonant are very familiar ones, but when we study the sound of speech scientifically, we find that it is not easy to define exactly what they mean. That vowels are sounds in which there is no obstruction to the flow of air as it passes from the larynx to the lips. While the consonant, a consonant is a sound that is made by blocking air from flowing out of the mouth with the teeth, tongue, lip, or palate. In general, grouping of vowel and consonant, there are 21 consonant and there are 5 vowels. There are many cases where the decision is not so easy to make. One problem is that some English sounds that we think of as consonants, such as the sound at the beginning of the word hey and wait, don't really obstruct the flow of air more than some vowels do. Another problem is that different languages have different way of dividing their sound into vowels and consonants. What we are doing here is looking at the different contexts and positions in which particular sound can occur. This is the study of the distribution of the sound and is of great importance in phonology. Vowel and consonant can be identified, but their different distribution. We begin the study of English sound in this source by looking at vowels, and it is necessary to say something about vowels in general before turning to the vowel of English. Next, what way vowel differs from each other? The first matter to consider is the shape and position of the tongue. It is usual to simplify the very complex possibilities by describing just two things. Firstly, the vertical distance between the upper surface of the tongue and the palate, and secondly, the part of the tongue between front and back, which is raised highest. Let us look at some example. Example 1. Make a vowel like the E in the English word see, and now make an A vowel in the word cat. The difference between E and A is a difference of tongue height, and we should describe E as a relative closed vowel and A is a relative open vowels. And two example is the word come, which we write phonetically as A. You can see that the back of the tongue is raised. Compare with this A in front of a mirror. A is a front vowels and A is a back vowels. The vowels in 2 is also a comparatively back vowel, but compared with A is close. These cardinal vowels are a standard reference system. If you learn the cardinal vowels, you are not learning to make English sound, but you are learning about the ring of vowel that the human vocal apparatus can make, and also learning a useful way of describing, classifying, and comparing vowels. This picture is a quadrilateral of the shape. The design used here is the one recommended by the International Phonetic Association. The vowels in the picture are the scale primary cardinal vowels. These are the vowels that are most familiar to the speaker of most European languages, and there are other cardinal vowels like secondary cardinal vowels. In this source, cardinal vowels are printed within square bracket to distinguish them clearly from English vowel sounds. Cardinal vowel number 1 has the symbol E and is defined as the vowel which is as close and as front as possible to make vowels, without obstructing the volume of air enough to produce friction noise. Cardinal vowels number 5 has the symbol A, is defined as the most open and back vowel that it's possible to make. Cardinal vowels number 8 is U, is fully closed and back. Cardinal vowels number 4, A, is fully open and front. Cardinal vowels intermediate point is number 2, 3, 6, and 7. You must remember that there are extremes of vowel quality. There is another important variable of vowel quality, and that is lip position. Although the lips can have many different shapes and positions, we will at this stage consider only 3 possibilities. These are rounded, where the corner of the lips are brought toward each other and the lip pushed forward. This is most clearly seen in cardinal vowels number 8, O. Spread, with the corner of the lips move away from each other, as for a smile. This is most clearly seen in cardinal vowel number 1, E. natural, where the lips are not noticeably round or spread. The noise most English people make when they are hesitating, written R, has neutral lip position.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next, I present about English short vowels. Name Nihaya Nur Fadila. Name 204200039. English short vowels. English has a large number of vowel sounds. The first ones to be examined are short vowels. The symbols for these short vowels are I, E, A, D, U. Each vowel is described in relation to the cardinal. Fact 5. English short vowel. A. Example words: pit, fish. Compare with cardinal vowel number 1. A. Example words: pet, man, yes. Cardinal vowels number 2. E. And number 3. A. A. Example words: pat, I. Example words: pat, man, cat. Cardinal vowel number 4. I. A. Example words: cut, come, rush. Z. Example words: pot, con, cross. U. Example: pat, put, pull, push. Cardinal vowel number 8. U. That's all of your presentation. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.